Good day, everyone. How everyone are doing? Um, in this presentation, I will be discussing disability income insurance. This is also known as your short-term or long-term disability benefit that most employers offer to their employees. But at any time, your job can cancel their policy without you even knowing, and you still may be paying into this policy, and then you don't know until it's time to use the benefit. So I'm bringing this presentation to you because I know that this has happened recently. And I want to let y'all know that y'all do have options out there to have your own disability income insurance, your short term and long term disability insurance. So before we go any further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Coretta Montague-Smith. I am a financial consultant, broker, with a life, health, and accident insurance agent license. So the agenda for this presentation is as follows. We can go through a quick introduction, things to consider, the best time to actually buy a disability income insurance policy, more details about the product itself so you can have a better understanding. So when you do the questionnaire for the quote, you will understand the provisions and the question is, or you would know the questions that I'm asking. Also, there are two types of policies which will determine your premium amount from the jump. Then we have additional benefits at no cost that goes along with the policy. And then we have additional optional benefits that you can actually pay for, which the optional benefits, they are actually called riders to the policy. And then to get more for your money, we will also discuss some discounts that can make your premium even more cheaper. So let's talk about it. You worked hard to build a successful career. The income you earn supports your family, your financial goals, and your lifestyle. That is why your income may be the most valuable asset you have, even more so than your house, your car, or your savings account. A lot of people get insurance for a house, they get insurance for their car. Why not get insurance for your income? I mean, without your income, you can't have those things anyway, right? So, if you are sick or injured and unable to work, what kind of financial impact will the loss of your income have on your family and also yourself? What not having an income coming in will do for you. This is disability and sickness insurance. So you get disabled, or if you get injured, what would you have, right? So things to consider when purchasing a disability income insurance. First, the right amount of coverage. You should have enough disability income insurance to at least pay your monthly living expenses so you and your family can focus on what's most important during such a critical time, and that's you getting better, your recovery. Also, if you're the breadwinner of the family, like, this insurance is definitely needed, you know? Um, Another thing to consider is your income. Your income matters. You rely on your income to help make financial ends meet. That's why it's important to protect your income at any age during your working years. So, you're 18, you're 19, you're 20, you're 40, you're 50, you're still working. Anything can happen. Anything can happen at any time. You get injured, you can get sick at any time. Your income matters. Why not get insurance on your income? So, when is the best time to buy? When is the best time to buy an insurance policy? A disability insurance policy. The best time to buy disability income insurance is now. A disabling sickness or injury can happen at any time, at any age. Since premiums are based in part on your age at the time of purchase, elimination may cost you more. The elimination is the period from when the policy is started. So it can be once you put in the claim that you got injured or the sickness. Um, the elimination period can start 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. And depending on your age, it will determine how much it will cost, right? Also, considering all that your income provides and the financial goals you have set, isn't it important to get started today? Why not? That's all I'm asking, right? So, let's talk about the product details, right? So, I am an insurance broker with life, health, and accident insurance. I have access to over 50 of the top insurance companies. So when I do these policies, I'm looking at multiple companies to see which product is better for my clients. One of the products in which this presentation is based off of is Mutual of Omaha. They have more benefits with their products than the other companies I have looked. So the product details, this is what I'm going to be explaining now. First, you could be issued a policy at age 18 to 61 years old. You must work at least 30 hours per week to get this insurance policy. Your maximum monthly benefit can range from $300 to $20,000 in $100 increments. The benefit period. So the short term disability, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, even 5 years. I consider that the short term disability income insurance. And then we have the long term. We have the benefit period, 10 years, or up to the ages of 65, 67, and or 70 years old. So let me go back. So the maximum monthly benefit, that's the monthly amount you receive if you become sick or injured. The benefit period is a length of time you actually receive the benefit payments after a disability occurs. So the benefit periods, if you choose the short-term disability, 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years, if you become injured, 6 months, that's how much you're going to be getting that benefit. 1 year, that's how much you're going to be getting that benefit. And then elimination periods is the number of calendar days before policy benefits are payable to you. So the limit based on your age, as I explained in the last slide, it will determine how much it will cost as well. Elimination period 30, 60, or 90 days. They also have elimination period of 365 days, but who want to wait a year to start getting disability benefits? So I don't even promote that. Okay. So when we doing the questionnaire, it's gonna ask for um, you to choose non-cancelable or a guaranteed renewal policy. This is the type of policy selected. The type of policy selected is a key factor to your premium payment amount. So the non-cancelable policy, your premiums are locked in and your coverage is guaranteed for the duration of the benefit period you selected. as long as you pay your premiums on time or within the grace period. So whatever you're paying in your premiums is set. So it for that benefit period, for that 6 year, that 1 year, that up to 70 years. Your benefit, your premiums is locked in. It's not gonna go up, it's not gonna go down. But with the guaranteed renewable um policy, your coverage is guaranteed as long as you pay your premiums on time or within the grace period, but your rates could be increased only if the change affects an entire class of policyholders. So, if say for instance we have some, let's say, construction workers, right? And for some reason, a lot of construction workers are actually using disability insurance um, more frequently. So then, based on because that entire class is actually using the insurance more, that's when the premium gonna go up. Um, the one that is cheaper to get is the guaranteed renewable. The non-cancelable, the one that's locked in, is more. Just so you know, to start out doing the quote for your premium. Okay. So then now we have no cost optional benefits. So these benefits, after you choose what type of plan you want from the last slide, these benefits are free. It comes with all policies. So we have the AIB, which is the automatic increase benefit. It automatically increases your monthly benefits by 4% each year. And we also have the FIO. It's a future insurability option and increases your monthly benefit every 3 years after you buy the policy. So for the most part, the maximum, well, the base amount that you can get starting out, the maximum is $2,900. But yearly, it will be increasing 4%, and every 3 years, that amount will be increasing as well. And what I also do after I receive the quotes, the quote questionnaire, I also send you an illustration of more explanation of these riders, and also how much during your term, during your benefit period, how much the company, the maximum, will pay for you. So you can actually see on paper the benefit of your disability insurance. So it won't be no questions um, about it. So now here are the additional optional benefits. Now these riders cost some extra money if you want it. So the additional optional benefit, you customize your policy with optional benefits to enhance or extend your benefits. There is an added cost for each additional optional benefit chosen. So the more additional optional benefits you choose, the more your premium will be. So in the next slides, I will be going over these additional optional benefits. Okay, so additional benefits explained. So first we have the extended regular occupation. It extends your current occupation coverage for the length of the benefit time. True regular occupation extends your current occupation coverage for the length of the benefit period and allows you to receive full monthly benefits if you are unable to work in your occupation and currently working in a different occupation. So if you have this rider and you become disabled in one occupation, you can actually still work and receive this disability insurance if you work in a totally different field. The residual disability, it pays a percentage of your total monthly benefit if you're partially disabled. Enhanced residual disability provides an additional recovery benefit if you're still experiencing a loss of income after you return to work full time. So if you return to work and you still can't do all the necessities at your job, you're still not getting all that pay, and there you go. That's what they're rider for. And the one I like the most is the return of premium. So the return of premium portion, you can either choose 50% or 80% of your money, of all the premiums that you paid into the policy to receive back. And of course, it's going to be minus any claims that you have that you have gotten. And the return portion, you can get it every 10 years, up to $12,000 total maximum monthly benefit. But if you choose to have those free benefits that comes with the plan, you cannot get the return of premium as well. That's the only downfall of it. So you won't be getting that 4% advance yearly, or the 2,900 increase as well every 3 years. You just, whatever premium that you put in during your benefit period, you can still get your money back up to 50 or 80%. And there's more. We have the cash value benefit. It provides a percentage, 15% in year 6 to 100% in year 25 of all premiums paid for the policy and riders. Then we have the mental or nervous and substance abuse extension. Extends your mental or nervous disorders and substance abuse coverage for the length of the benefit period. Then we had the CDB benefit. Pays an additional benefit amount if you have a catastrophic, if I'm saying it correctly, I always can't get my S's right. So, pays an additional benefit amount if you have a catastrophic disability and you are unable to perform at least 2 activities of daily living without substantial assistance from another person, or require substantial supervision due to severe cognitive impairment. The 2 activities of daily living. So, if you are unable to feed yourself, unable to bathe yourself, um, unable to dress yourself, you can receive this benefit. It pays more if you choose to get this rider. Cost of living adjustment, it increases your benefit annually when you receive benefits. So you can get that rider because inflation goes up and you want to be able to have more benefits and not stay at that same amount, that 2,900. So this cost of living adjustment is good with the return of premium benefit. So you get the return of premium benefit, and you can also, once you start receiving those benefits, you can get the cost of living adjustment as well. Then lastly, we have the social insurance supplement benefit. So it lowers your premium you have to pay, since the benefit you receive is the amount of monthly income you purchase minus any benefits provided by Social Security. So these are the additional benefits that's available to you. You will get a thorough explanation of these riders if you choose them. I suggest that you write down which one is more appealing to you. So on the questionnaire, um, you can choose whichever one you decide. And now we also have the extra value of this discount. You get more for your money. So there's more. Not only do you have the optional and additional benefits available, but there are also 5 other ways you can receive a discount on your premiums and earn up to a maximum 30% in premium discounts. And next, I would like to explain these to you. Okay, so let's talk about these premium discounts. So first we have the self-employment discount. You receive a 15% discount available to individuals with a minimum of 2 years self-employment income. You must have a minimum net income of $32,000 for each of the past 2 recent years, and you will have to submit your finances to prove that prove this $32,000. We also have the two-person household discount. You receive a 10% discount when both you and your spouse or issue a policy. It's available when both disability income insurance policies are issued under the same policy format, the same benefit, and any partner that was previously issued under a different policy form, the benefit is not available for the two-person household discount. Also, let me just go in more detail about what is a two-person household and how they defined it. So the two-person household is defined as your spouse to whom you are legally married, your registered domestic partner or civil union partner in those states, or an adult person who share a serious and committed personal relationship with you that is intended to be lifelong. Adult person that has a shared common permanent residence with you on a continual basis for the most recent 3 years, or an adult person who is not married, a domestic partner, civil union partner, or in a committed personal relationship to anyone else. Someone that's not married, is not in a committed relationship to anyone else. And also to anyone else that's not married, that's not related to you, that you can legally marry, is also considered one of the person in the two-person household discount. So then we have the association member discount. You receive a 15% discount for members of an approved organization. Those organizations have to be affiliated with Mutual Omaha. We had the multiple policy discounts. You receive a 10% discount if you're issued an individual disability policy within 90 days of being issued an eligible, fully underwritten life insurance policy or a long-term care insurance policy. So with the multiple policy discounts, if you want the discount, you have to get that insurance first and then sign up for the disability insurance. So if that's something that you want to do, just let me know. You can reach out. And then last, we have the common employee discount, which I like so much because a lot of employment companies, jobs, are doing away without it. So you receive a 15% discount to groups of 3 or more individuals working 30 hours per week with a common employer, but does not require employee sponsorship. Right? So how this work? The applications can be submitted all at one time for the 3 people or within a 12-month period. The 15% premium savings is not applied until the third application has been issued, at which time the premium savings is applied to each of the first 2 policies, starting on their next billing anniversary. So whatever they pick to pay for their policy monthly, um, semi-annually, or annually, that's when the discount gonna start. And then all future applications will receive that 15% discounts if they working for that same employer. So it's no wait time. It's not like every 3 people. So anytime a person sign up and they are with that same company, they will get that 15% discount. So that's all the premium discounts that are available. And lastly, if you're ready to get your quote, you can scan the QR code right there. Again, my name is Coretta Montague-Smith. I am a financial consultant. with multiple companies so I can be able to give the best policy out to my clients there is. So that's what I love so much about the insurance business. Um, you can reach out if you have any questions. You can call me, you can text me, you can email me. I respond mostly to email and texts more because I'm always on appointments or doing something business wise. Um, and you can also visit my website as well for additional insurance options that's all available. So thank you. So please scan the QR code and let's get this plan started for you. Bye.